Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic connections. Those facts matter. First, make sure the Solo 3 has at least a 20 to 30-minute charge and note the LED color. It tells battery state. Next, restart the headphones by holding power for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks, then release. Finally, swap your audio source. Use 2 devices and a different cable or adapter. Doing these steps isolates power, firmware, and source issues so you can focus on the headphone itself. Once done with basics, perform a factory reset to clear pairing and software glitches. Hold power and volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes white. After that, enable mono audio in your device accessibility settings or play a mono test file to see if both drivers respond. This isolates left/right channel faults. While testing, remove the ear cushion and visually inspect the inner wiring and connector for a loose joint. Physical faults often cause single-side failure, so check connectors carefully and gently wiggle them while testing. If mono audio engaged both sides, repair the headphones and update firmware, then play stereo music to confirm the fix. If one side remains silent, carefully reseat any visible connector or, if comfortable, resolder a tiny wire. Otherwise, arrange an authorized repair. Don't force delicate parts. Make sure to test with at least one other headphone cable to rule out cable fault. Troubleshooting tip: document LED behavior, device used, and sound changes so a technician can replicate the issue quickly and accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.